You know what, guys, I always feel like it's important to get a real good feel for, for people, for individuals. So I wanted to give you a little bit more background on me and myself and how I actually got involved in the real estate industry. So taking it back to just about 30 years now, my parents came from Mexico and they opened up their business here. It's called Advantage Plus Credit Reporting. So they've owned their own credit reporting agency for just around 30 years now. They deal with some of the biggest financial institutions here within Arizona, across the nation, and even international. So when you're actually going out and speaking to a lender or even a bank, and they're pulling your credit, they're using an agency just like my parents, Advantage Plus Credit Reporting. And through that, my brothers and I have all worked for the actual company. One of them actually decided to become a lender, and that's Leo Zuniga. He's over at Fairway Mortgage. He's been in the industry 22 years now doing loans. So yeah, so we have the lending side, we have the credit side, and then in 2013 is when I started to get licensed. In all honesty, I only got licensed in 2013 just to help out a few friends and do some investment properties, with my father. And then 2016 to 15 is when I really just went full time and hit it hard. But during that process, even growing up as a child and as a teenager and even young adult, I saw my father and my family do quite a few investments, do flips, manage their rental properties and create their portfolio. So real estate was always always in my mindset. I think it was kind of just drilled into me to see, the kind of opportunities I can create for an individual and even for a family. So that's something that I also wanted to bring to the table for not only for myself, for my future family, as well. So coming into the real estate market after I did corporate world for 2 years, I was ready. I was pumped. I was fired up. I had a huge support system behind me, being my family's history in real estate. But then right off the bat, knowing that I had established some really good partnerships to make sure that I get, all the value to my clients. And even since then, I manage my own projects. I manage other projects for investors when it comes to flips. Anything that has to do with a listing, anything that has to do with a purchase, or even doing thing with vacation rentals. The biggest thing now, most likely coming the end of this year, next year, I'm really going to dive into commercial leases, really just add that to the list of tools of arsenal that I want to give to my clients. It's not about me. I just make sure that I educate myself fully and to the most potential, so when you come to me, whatever your real estate appetite is, I want to make sure that I'm your guy, or at least I'm at least one phone call away to making that connection for you. It's important. I always try to be on the cutting edge, not only of technology but of information and value, because at the end of the day, it helps me serve you better. And that's all I want to do. I want to create as much value as I can and as possible and let you know that I'm here for you. Whatever you need, even if it's just to have a conversation and sit down, I want to be there for you. I think that's just something that the real estate industry needs more of like help and support. And hey, if you need somebody to sit down with you and go over some things, give a real more personal touch to it. And that's what I do. That's why I make these videos, because I want you to feel more of my personality through video. And I know it works. I get a lot of great feedback from it, and I'm gonna continue to do it because it serves me and it also serves you better. So if you need anything, guys, anything at all, and even just if you need a hug from me or some more friendship or some more love, I wanna make sure I'm there for you. So until next time, guys, take care.